All right, we got ourselves a package here. I think it's our hats. All right, let's grab this. I'm going to take a look at these. I think it's the hats. It is the hats. Awesome, awesome. So give me a second, guys, to open the door, and I'm going to see what we got. It's like Christmas. All right, guys, we just got in. We just got these hats here. Can't wait to take a look at them. See what we got. Yes, they are. There are hats. Got 10 of them. A whole bunch of them. Let's see. There's no nice way of doing this. All right. Plastic. All right. Man, they were all bent. Let's take a look. That's it. We got our ClearFlow home maintenance hats, and we're waiting on some uniforms. We have shirts, pants. We actually got 2 different colors on the shirts because we weren't sure which direction we wanted to go with the color. But as soon as those get here, we'll unbox those or unwrap those as well, and we'll get this going. This is just, we're just starting out now. We're just getting the hats. Uniforms are coming. We'll pick up the equipment next week. Advertising has already begun, but we'll discuss that in another video. But yeah, excited. We just picked up 10 hats. I think they look pretty cool. I just got to reshape it. They're kind of all funky the way not a great wrap job the way they did it, but hey, they're baseball hats. Guys, the message is clear. ClearFlow, home maintenance. We're excited. We're excited to get this business up and running. And if you're looking to start your business, get up, get out, get after it, go for it. You got nothing to lose. There's no better time than now. Hope all is well. Feel free to reach out at any time. We'll talk soon. Peace out.